Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Google NotebookLM for Beginners course. My name is Naresh. I am the instructor for this course. Are you tired of wasting hours searching through articles, PDFs, and notes, only to end up overwhelmed and stuck? What if you had an AI research assistant that could instantly organize your sources, summarize key points, and give you exactly what you need in minutes, not hours? In this course, you will discover how to turn scattered information into clear, actionable insights. You will learn how to feed NotebookLM your documents and get concise summaries, powerful connections between ideas, and even audio or video overviews so you can absorb information anywhere, whether you are at your desk or on the move. This is not just about learning a tool, it is about boosting your productivity from day one. Imagine cutting your research time in half, getting answers without drowning in information, and staying focused on what truly matters. By the end of this course, you will have a research companion that works for you, making your projects faster, your work sharper, and your ideas clearer. So stop wasting time, start working smarter. Enroll now and make your research effortless. See you in the course.